So today's video is going to be on the Harbor Freight's Pittsburgh engine stand. Now, this engine stand did not come in this shape. It's actually been sitting for about 10 months waiting for me to do this video. Well, it's time for this video, so hopefully you guys enjoy. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is cut the straps on your Harbor Freight engine thing. I just got a box cutter you can use, so just be careful and don't cut yourself. So once you get that open, it's pretty straightforward. Get your part up just like so, and this is what you get on the inside. This is trash. We want to take this back out. Bet you did not think it was that nice on the inside by that shape of that box. This is instructions and telling you how to use your engine stand. If you ain't never used one before, you might want to look over the owner's manual and safety instructions. This is not the first engine stand I dealt with, and something to note, if you got one of these, no matter what it comes from, check for spiders, because there's a black widow looking spider. We're just going to kill him. I know some of you might say don't kill the spider, but I'm not sticking my hand in with that. But can't complain, he probably had a good home for around 10 months in this box. So let's go ahead and unbox some more shit. Hopefully no spiders inside. These is your arms. They most of them is steel tubing, square tubing on the other engine stands, but these are usually just a little piece of, what is that, 1/2 inch steel. Now I ain't noticed no difference in strength on them. Maybe if you're going to hold a super heavy motor, but small box and other engines do just fine. We might be putting a 454 on this one, so we get to see how that holds up. If it comes crashing down, then you all get to see a video. What's that? Eesh. Eesh. I'm jumpy, guys. I hate spiders. It's very spidery unboxing, ain't it? Set that dog. It was a spider been there before he died. That was an exoskeleton. That's your front casters, spider free. Another one. It comes with this big guy. This is the main top part that your engine goes through. Very good quality. The paint could be better on it, but what do you expect? It's got a little dry spot here. I should complain about that, but for 60 bucks, if you get these on sale around 50 bucks, I mean under 50 bucks actually, if you got a big enough coupon, you can't complain. Well, I can, but still. Brand new bolts, pins, good stuff. Another dead spider. Hopefully he's dead. He's dead. So we're going to take this. This is the front looking part. I don't know why I don't want to pick it up. There's a dead spider on that. Let's go over here. Let me move this now. All kinds of spiders been in this. That is your, plate for your engine, what mounts. You mount your 4 things too. Then we got this guy here. Jumpy as hell. Still a little dry spot or two in it. Whoever painted this must have been on a Friday. Looks just like some kind of acrylic enamel that this been sprayed with. This is your handle, I'm pretty sure. Right here. And now this can go back out to the building where it's set for 10 months. You can see all the dead spiders in it. Right right through there. That was a bunch of spiders. Hey, even a couple still moving in there. So you're probably watching this video thinking, how do I put this together? I don't want to look at them instructions, or maybe the instructions ain't as good as they should be. So I'm going to walk around here in my awesome shoes and show you guys how to assemble this. Now, there are tons of spiders in this box. I let this set for about 10 months. There's spiders everywhere. I hate spiders. And anyway, this is Pittsburgh instructions. Yeah, duh. This should be your front wheels, I would think. I ain't gonna look at instructions putting these together. This is a front wheel, casters, and if you're doing this, I don't recommend doing it on your hardwood floor. If you do, be careful. Mine's more of an antique looking hardwood floor, so I ain't too worried about it. And you can just run a quick stain over it, and it takes away the scratches and just works just as good as new. So that's what you get with the antique looking things. Okay, that don't fit like it should. Maybe I should look at instructions. Let's go to instructions. Instruction number 1. If you guys can see this right here, I'm out of the video lens. Can you work that camera? Make sure I'm in a lens, just let me know so I can see what I'm doing. So, you want to take this piece, it looks like, and this piece goes in just like so. Just like so, because that's what the instructions say right here. And well, this is very simple, guys. Very simple. So this goes here. Then it looks like this little guy right here will go here. So let's just go ahead and set this up. Oh God, it's getting heavy. Just like so. Put this here. Just like so. Okay. And these wheels will go here. So I turn it over the right way. Just like so. And we got bolts that fit all the way through this. Don't know which bolts, but we can find them. Let's see. Definitely not this bolt. I would guess 3 of those, 4 of those, 2 of those. I would guess it would be one of these. Let's go ahead and just feed these through. And they go all the way through to the bottom of this. Just like so. And once you get that, you will need this piece, 2 more bolts, goes all the way through to both sides. If you're watching this video, you see I'm about ready to make a mistake. Can you see that part? But we didn't make it mistake. There we go. Just like so. Probably go a whole lot easier if you had help and I wasn't trying to film this. But anyways, bolts just go through just like the front end did. Just like so. Now I'm just snugging these up by hand. You can come back later and tighten everything up. Just quickly assembling it for you guys. Now we are on to wheels. Yeah, the wheels is what's next. This is the front wheel. Go ahead and do the back wheels. The back wheels use this little thing here. A bolt goes through that and then you just tighten it up. Very simple concept. You just put this in like so. Hits these little skinnier 2 bolts. They're just 2 in the kit. So washer goes on one side, washer goes on the other side, and then you just feed it through. Just like so. Washer on both sides. Snug them up. Just like that. So basically what you got is this sleeve that goes on in that wheel. You got 2 washers. Washer goes on that side and washer goes on this side. Washer on each side, and then that bolt pancakes this. It ain't the best setup, and you can tell by the quality, but it works as a wheel, I guess. As I said before, we'll go over everything in a minute. I'm just snuggling them up for now. Now, once you get that, it's onto this front wheels here. I'll scoot this back. Just like so. We have a bolt that goes up through here, which is this guy. The short one goes underneath. Obviously, it don't matter where this goes. It just tightens up on this. Ain't got a hole or nothing. Next is this part putting the wheels on. Got a bolt here. Very simple. This right here goes in. You take your washer. Whoops. Put your washer on. Whoops. You put your washer on. Lock nut. And then you tap. You put your tap on. Or nut. depending where you at, what you call it. And then you come around and do the other side too. Next, this guy goes on, just like so. Very simple to do. So this goes on next. I always run my boats in this way. That way, you know, you don't have interference for too long. And then you just leave these loose till you get your engine mounted. Pretty simple. Just like so. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all 4 on. So basically, guys, this is the engine stand outside, and the reason I didn't do it outside is because it is dark and it's raining, you know, and my building is full of stuff right now, and they ain't very good lighting. Let me just push this on with my fancy shoes over here so you get a better look at it. I'm going to show you exactly what I don't like about it, but you know, it's perfectly usable. This little short pin here, if you look down in here, you could drill that and have one that goes all the way through both sides. That'd be much safer. The bolt, I complained about this bolt not going all the way through, but it looks like it serves a purpose because this is smaller. It pushes it up and levels it out here. Once you get level, you could actually weld this. I do got mine sticking out a little bit too far. It calls for it being even here. Should have a stop welded on the back of it. Make it much easier if they did. The wheel casters, I ain't got none of these bolts super tight yet, but they got a big gap, so we're gonna move around and stuff. I'm not happy with the way the wheel casters on this is, but for the price, you know, some wheel casters can cost up to $50 a piece. You know, you losing quality here, guys. You're losing quality when you buy cheaper stuff, and that's just sacrifices you got to make, like on the wheel casters. But all in all, other than the wheel casters and a few little things I'm complaining about, it looks like definitely it would hold an engine stand. Hey, look, I got a flower. Yeah, looks better in daytime. Oh, and that, yeah, I was using that for some wires. Just put wires in. Need to clean that up. Spring cleaning, or fall cleaning, whatever you call it. But yeah, that's the engine stand. Some of these casters can cost up to like $50. And it's nighttime, so you know the flash makes this look lesser than it is. It's actually a really pretty engine stand. I can't complain for the price. $60, around $40 on sale. Oh no, it's a pretty stand. So if you found this video helpful and you know put it to use, let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed watching. I enjoy hearing from everyone. Show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. Appreciate it if you do. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.